Hi everyone, we're going to use quadratic techniques to solve y to the negative 2/3 power minus 7y to negative 1/3 power plus 12 equals 0. So we want to write this in quadratic form. That means I want to write with the square, put that 7 there, to the first power plus 12 equals 0. So that's the definition of quadratic form. In our case, we need y to the negative 1/3. That gives me this, if this is 1. Now, if this is 2, what I need here is also y to the negative 1/3. Because 2 times negative 1/3 gives me my y to the negative 2/3. And then you just proceed with factoring. So let's factor this. And normally you put y. In our case, we have negative 1/3. Now for the 12 and the negative 7, let's do negative 4, negative 3. Because negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. But when you add those two together, you get negative 7. All right, now we just solve. So let's take each piece and use the zero product property. So we get y negative 1/3 equals 4. All right, to isolate your y, let's multiply or power these up by negative 3. This gives me a 1. So you have y equals 4 to the negative 3, which equals 1 divided by 4 cubed, which is 1 divided by 64. So that's one solution. And we just have to do the same thing with this. So we're just going to write y to the negative 1/3. Go ahead and add that 3 to both sides. Now power each side by negative 3. This isolates your y, because that's going to be positive 1. Y to the first power is just 1. 3 to negative 3 is the same as 1 divided by 3 cubed. And so that's going to be y equals 1 divided by 27. So this is your other answer, this one and this one. All right, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.